Hi, my name is Rahul Mujahid, and in this video, we will discuss how you can schedule Microsoft examination. Right. So, for the example, we will take SZ 900. Right. Although doesn't matter if you're gonna schedule 300, 301, and any other Microsoft certification, the way is exact same, like similar for every examination. So let's take one example with the exam SZ 900. So yes, you have to just give the exact name. I mean, if you are going for the SZ 900, then type SZ 900 is in the search bar. If you are going for the SZ 300, let's say SZ 304, you can just write down there. Then let's go with the SZ 900 only, right? Okay, the first thing you have to remember is that you have to schedule it by using Pearson VUE, right? So the moment you click on the first link, then you will land up on the official site of Microsoft. As you can see, we have exam SC 900 Microsoft Azure fundamentals, right? So you will get it like what is the exact if this exam is going to expire, right? So this kind of information you will get it on the front page. Then you will get the exact Microsoft certified as your fundamentals. I mean, what is the exact code for the examination, right? And what is the exact prerequisite, right? Because for example, just to get the badge of certified solution architect, you must have SE 303 and SE 304. So something like that, this kind of information you will get it from this portal. And then we have these option, I mean, schedule exam. So you have the exam code, and you have three options, right? So I will explain these two options in my next video. Let's go with the first one. It is the Pearson VUE, as I just mentioned that. Just click on that. Okay, so now we have the examination dashboard, and it is loading right now. So let's wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, now I'm having my own profile, right? So it is showing that yes, this is the exam code, and this is the name of examination. I mean, Microsoft Azure fundamentals. And then I'm having my own details that is pre-filled, right? Because I have already done this SZ 900 examination. So the job title, address, and city, country, postal code, state, and the country code, you have to give these details, right? Then your contact email and your preferred language, right? So obviously, if you haven't done any examination, you have to first fill these details, then you can click on the next button, or you can continue it. Okay, now this page will tell you that how much money you have to pay, right? As you can see, I'm working for one of the gold partner of Microsoft, so that's why I'm getting 100% discount, right? So yes, I have to claim it here. Then if I just schedule this examination, then I don't need to pay anything, right? Because we are the gold partner of Microsoft. So yes, if you are not working for any company which provides certifications, right? So yes, you have to pay around let's say 5,500 rupees for this SZ 900 examination, right? So you have to pay at this moment only. The moment you select that amount, you have to click on the schedule exam button. Now we will get one dashboard where where I have to select that on which day and on which timings I have to schedule my examination. So first of all, we have to select where I want to give my examination. I have three options. First is at a local test center, and online from my home or office. Third is I have a private access code, right? So at a local test center means we they have some kind of a dedicated test center, some kind of a partners. So you have to go there. You have to first search it out whether you have these center in your city or not. If you have, then you have to select these option, and you have to go there whenever you schedule examination. you have to go there, and then you can just give your examination, right? But I would suggest, if you are having let's say any cabin or any space where there is no noise and you're having good system, you're having good networks, and then go for the this one, online from my home or office, right? So basically we have some policies here. I mean, in terms of, there should not be any screen in your room, there should not be any whiteboard in your room, right? The room should be noise free, so something like that, you must follow these rules, right? If not, then go for the at a local test center, right? So as we are doing this for the testing purpose, so let's select online from my home or office, then click on the next. So now we have some terms and condition. You can just read it. It is saying that, you don't have to let's say share these questions, whatever you're gonna whatever they will ask you, something like that. So yes, you have to click or you have to just accept these policies, and you can click on the next button. Now they will ask you the language, right? So it is not just limited to English only. We have Chinese, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and Spanish modern. So, as per your requirement, you can select your language. Then let's select English. Okay, what is the language you prefer Proctor to speak? So obviously, if you're gonna, as I have just selected my home or office, so the moment I log in on my portal, the one Proctor will be there. I mean, one person will be there who keeps on monitoring my screen and myself as well, by using my camera and by using my mic. Right. So which language you want your proctor to be speak? So obviously, if you select English, then proctor should be you should understand the English as well, right? Because he might communicate you, right? He might ask you to just give the overview of your room, left, right, and front and back, something like that. So obviously, always select the language which you understand. So let's go for the English only. Okay, so now we have the option to select any slot. I mean, we have one calendar. So as per my requirement, right? As per whenever I want, I can schedule my examination. So for example, today is 16 December 2020. So let's check. Do we have any slot for today? Okay, again we have two options. First is how you want to see the calendar, in 12 hours or in 24 hours. Let's go with the 24. So yes, morning slot is not available because already it is 7:42 p.m. Right? So yes, but we have some slots in 9. As you can see, we have one slot at after 3 minutes. Then we have 8 p.m. Then we have 8:15 and something like that. So as per your need, you can just select your slot and schedule your examination. Let's go with the 8 p.m. as we are doing this for the testing purpose only. Okay, okay, I got it. So it is saying you have recently done this examination. You cannot just go ahead with the same examination, right? The appointment must be on or after 27 December. Okay, so since we are doing this for the just for the testing purpose, so let's select the date after 27 December. Okay, so let's go in the January 2021, or we can go with any date. Let's say 13 January. Anytime. I'm selecting 12 a.m. Okay, so now we have the final confirmation. I mean, review and confirm, right? Whatever details you have provided, is it right or wrong, right? We have examination name, English, and exam length, right? Appointment, Wednesday, Jan 13, 2021. Check-in time, this one. Start time, this one, right? And my price is this one, right? So I have to this price, but the moment I click on this, proceed to checkout, so we have some Microsoft policies, right? So as I just mentioned, we have some system requirements and admission policies, right? I will cover these policies in separate video, but yes, you should in your room there should not be any whiteboard, there should not be any screen, right? There should not be anything else except you, your laptop, and max to max a simple coffee cup without any label, right? This is you can keep. Everything else should be out, right? So these kind of information you have, you must have. Then we have, how you want to recognize yourself, how you can authenticate that yes, this is you. So you must have one ID which is issued by the government. So I would suggest to go with the license only, right? And then we have simple policies, and like how you can start your examination and all. So I will cover this point in a separate video. Let's proceed, and now click on the proceed to check out. Okay, accept it. Okay, so now it is just saying that yes, this is your voucher, total is this one, tax is this one, right? And now we have the option to add voucher or promo code. So as I was just explaining about Microsoft partners. So if you're a partner of Microsoft, you must have some kind of let's say vouchers or any kind of promo codes. You can just put it here. Basically what I do, I just you have basically two options. First, to claim it in the start, whenever you just started just registering for the examination, you can just claim your voucher there only, right? But if you don't, you have another, again, one more option. You can just put the voucher here, and it depends what kind of voucher you are having. Is it 50% off, is it 100% off? So it depends, right? Whatever the amount is, you have to, whatever the remaining amount, you have to pay, right? The moment you click on the voucher, then you have the amount decreased by the percentage. Like if your voucher is 50%, then 50% amount will be minus, right? So since we don't have any voucher right now, so let's just close it. And we have then details of card details. Obviously you have to give the card details. The moment you click on this particular button, that is the next one, then in the next screen they will ask you to confirm it. The moment you confirm it, your exam will be scheduled, right? So you will receive one SMS alert, you will receive one email, right? And then in the email they will mention the exact details what you have given there. I mean the examination center, examination policy, system check, and what kind of exam you have scheduled. So everything you will get on your email, right? So email will be sent by Pearson VUE, right? The authorized entity which provides the Microsoft certification, right? So on the examination day, you don't have to come here. You just need to open your email, which you received from the Pearson VUE, and there only you can find the link. By using that, you can start your examination, right? Although I will share another video on how you can just start your examination, because basically people got confused, right? They have received the email, but how to start, right? If you are giving it for the first time, then obviously there is some kind of challenge how you can start your examination, right? So yes, I will share one separate video for the same. So that's it for now. Thank you so much. So make sure you subscribe to the channel before leaving, because I will keep sharing the videos on Azure certification and AWS. So thank you so much.